Understanding deep regret, a guide to expressing sorrow in English. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very important phrase in English, deep regret. This phrase is commonly used in various situations, and understanding it can really help you express your feelings more accurately. So, let's dive in. Deep regret is a phrase used to express a strong feeling of sadness or disappointment about something that has happened or about something that one has done or failed to do. The word deep emphasizes the intensity or seriousness of the regret. This phrase is often used in formal situations or when the feeling of regret is particularly strong. Formal apologies. In formal letters or statements, especially when apologizing for serious mistakes or expressing condolences. Personal expressions. When reflecting on personal actions or decisions that have led to unfortunate outcomes. Public statements. By public figures or organizations to express sorrow or remorse over significant events or incidents. The company expressed deep regret over the environmental damage caused by the spill. I feel deep regret for not spending more time with my family. The government issued a statement of deep regret regarding the historical injustices. Understanding synonyms can help broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few: profound sorrow, intense remorse, great ruefulness. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, deep regret, and how to use it effectively. Remember, mastering such phrases can really enhance your English communication skills. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to practice using deep regret in your own sentences. See you in the next video.